Nestled within the wooded slopes of the Niagara Escarpment in Belfountain, Ontario, Belfountain House is a thoughtful transformation of a 1970s chalet into a contemporary family home. Designed by UUfie, the 240 square meter residence embraces its steep, forested site, allowing the architecture to respond directly to the surrounding landscape. Rather than competing with nature, the house is carefully integrated into it, creating a stronger connection between daily living and the outdoors. A key aspect of the project is its adaptive reuse strategy. Instead of replacing the original structure, the architects retained portions of the existing chalet and expanded it along its original footprint. This approach reduced the impact on the site while improving functionality and spatial quality. The result is a home that respects its history while providing a more open and contemporary living environment. The arrival experience is designed as a gradual journey through the landscape. Visitors pass an artist's studio and swimming pool before reaching the house. Entry begins through a compact, timber-lined mudroom, which then opens into a dramatic, double-height living space. This sequence creates a sense of discovery, echoing the experience of moving through the surrounding forest. The home's interior is organized beneath a long, continuous roof that stretches across the hillside. Instead of relying on traditional corridors, spaces are connected through subtle level changes, varying ceiling heights, and framed views. As the floor follows the natural slope of the site, movement through the house becomes an important part of the overall architectural experience. One of the most distinctive features is found in the main living area. Exposed timber rafters extend toward the surrounding tree canopy, while bold red steel braces support the expanded roof structure. Above the space, a large rope net serves as a playful family element, functioning as a lounge area, hammock, and elevated gathering space. Large windows throughout the home strengthen the connection between inside and outside. Natural light, forest views, and seasonal changes become part of everyday life. The material palette, including reclaimed elm, local stone, exposed timber, stucco, and radiant heated concrete floors creates a balance of warmth, texture, and durability. As the house steps down the hillside, it becomes increasingly connected to the terrain. Carefully designed stairways guide movement between levels, leading to spaces dedicated to relaxation and privacy. These include a sauna, fitness area, poolside amenities, and a hidden guest suite tucked discreetly into the landscape. Belfountain House demonstrates how a home can evolve from both its existing structure and its natural setting. By preserving elements of the original chalet and responding thoughtfully to the site's topography, UUfie created a residence that feels deeply rooted in its environment. For viewers seeking design inspiration, the project offers valuable ideas in adaptive reuse, split-level planning, and seamless indoor-outdoor living.